Welcome, travel enthusiasts, to another exciting journey. Today we're heading to the North African Djem, Tunisia, to explore its breathtaking scenery. Nestled between Algeria and Libya, Tunisia is a tapestry of golden beaches, crystal-clear Mediterranean waters, and sun-drenched landscapes. Its climate, a fusion of Mediterranean and Saharan, paints a vibrant picture of warm summers and mild winters. But beyond its sun-kissed shores, Tunisia's scenery transforms into a rich tapestry of mountain ranges, verdant valleys, and expansive deserts. From the dazzling white villages perched on hilltops, to the labyrinthine medinas teeming with life, Tunisia's landscapes are as diverse as they are stunning. Each corner of this North African gem is an invitation to discovery, a journey into a world where history and nature intertwine in the most enchanting way. Ready to embark on this journey through Tunisia's most captivating sights? Buckle up, because our first stop is the Sahara Desert. Imagine an endless sea of golden sand stretching out before you. Welcome to the Sahara Desert, one of Tunisia's most iconic landscapes. As vast as it is diverse, the Sahara Desert is a testament to nature's raw, unbridled power. Here, the sand dunes rise and fall like the waves of an ocean, each one unique, shaped by the relentless desert winds. It's an ever-changing landscape, a sea of golden sands that stretch as far as the eye can see. The Sahara isn't just about the sand though, it's dotted with oasis towns where life thrives amidst the harsh desert conditions. These green pockets of life, teeming with date palm trees and other vegetation, offer a stark contrast to the surrounding desert, creating a sight that's as surreal as it is beautiful. But perhaps the most breathtaking moments in the Sahara are at sunrise and sunset. As the sun rises, it bathes the desert in a warm golden glow, casting long shadows that bring out the contours of the dunes. And when the sun sets, it paints the sky in a riot of colors, from deep oranges and purples to soft pinks and blues. It's a spectacle that never fails to take your breath away. And then, there's the opportunity to experience Bedouin culture. The Bedouin people have lived in the Sahara for centuries, their lives shaped by the desert's harsh conditions. They're a nomadic people, constantly moving from one place to another in search of water and grazing lands for their livestock. Spending time with them offers a glimpse into a way of life that's as timeless as the desert itself. The Sahara Desert, with its endless sands and unique culture, is a place that captivates and inspires. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the vastness of the landscape and find yourself in the beauty of its simplicity. From the heat of the desert, we now travel to the cool, serene settings of Ichkeul National Park. As we leave the desert behind, we find ourselves amidst the lush greenery and tranquil waters of Ichkeul National Park. This oasis of biodiversity, located in the north of Tunisia, is a testament to nature's resilience and diversity. Its rich ecosystem is a harmonious blend of marshes, reed beds, and the serene Lake Ichkeul, a vital haven for migratory birds in the winter months. Imagine the rustle of the reeds, the gentle lapping of the lake against its shores, and the symphony of bird calls echoing through the air. Here, the white storks and pink flamingos paint a captivating picture against the vibrant green backdrop, a sight that's a feast for the eyes and a delight for birdwatchers. This park isn't just a beautiful canvas of nature's artistry, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its ecological significance. The park's status is a reminder of our responsibility to preserve and protect such vital habitats and the diverse array of life they sustain. The flora here is as diverse as the fauna, with an array of plant species that create a living, breathing, green tapestry. From the tall, elegant reeds to the aquatic plants lazily floating on the lake's surface, each contributes to the park's unique charm. The park's waters are teeming with life too. Look beneath the surface of Lake Ichkeul, and you'll find a fascinating world of aquatic creatures. This includes several species of fish that have adapted to the changing salinity of the lake throughout the year. Beneath its tranquil surface, Ichkeul National Park is a bustling hub of life, a testament to nature's adaptability and resilience. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a birdwatcher, or someone seeking a serene escape, this park is a must-visit. Leaving the calming ambiance of Ichkeul National Park, we transition to the bustling, vibrant city life of Sidi Bou Said. Welcome to Sidi Bou Said, a picturesque village perched on a cliff overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. A place where the azure of the sea and the sky blend seamlessly with the cobalt blue and stark white of the village's architecture. Yes, you heard it right, Sidi Bou Said is a marvel of blue and white, a color scheme that's as calming as it is captivating. Now let's take a closer look at this unique architecture. The houses here are adorned with ornate stucco archways, grand doors with intricate carvings and wrought iron window grills. These elements, complemented by the vibrant bougainvillea that cascades down the walls, are a testament to the Andalusian influence that pervades Sidi Bou Said. But the village's charm doesn't end with its architecture. From atop the cliff, the view is nothing short of spectacular. Imagine gazing out at the infinite expanse of the Mediterranean, its waters glittering under the sunlight, with the distant silhouette of the city of Tunis adding to the drama. It's a tableau that has inspired many an artist, and it's easy to see why. Speaking of artists, Sidi Bou Said has a rich artistic heritage. It has been a haven for painters, writers and musicians from around the globe, drawn to its serene beauty and vibrant cultural life. The village is dotted with art galleries and studios, each filled with creations that encapsulate the spirit of this enchanting place. And let's not forget the bustling marketplaces. Here the air is filled with the aroma of fresh Tunisian bread and spices. The colorful stalls are brimming with local crafts, textiles and ceramics, each piece telling a story of the village's cultural richness and the skill of its artisans. So whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, or simply a lover of stunning landscapes, Sidi Bou Said has something to offer. It's a place where beauty, culture and history come together against the backdrop of the Mediterranean. From the cliffside views of Sidi Bou Said, we now descend into the intriguing labyrinth of the Medina of Tunis. Prepare to lose yourself in the narrow, winding streets of the Medina of Tunis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Let's travel through time to the heart of Tunisia's capital, where history and culture intertwine in a maze of alleyways, archways, and vibrant souks. Welcome to the Medina of Tunis, a captivating testament to the city's rich past and its vibrant present. Established in the 7th century, the Medina is a treasure trove of architectural marvels, bearing the imprints of the many civilizations that have shaped Tunis over the centuries. From the Grand Zitouna Mosque, a masterpiece of Islamic architecture, to the opulent palaces and the humble homes, each structure tells a tale of the city's bygone eras. The Medina's architecture is a harmonious blend of Moorish, Ottoman, and Andalusian influences, a living testament to Tunis's multicultural heritage. But the Medina isn't just an outdoor museum, it's a bustling hub of life where the past and present coexist. Here the air is thick with the aroma of spices and the sound of craftsmen at work. The souks, or marketplaces, are a sensory delight, brimming with a kaleidoscope of colors, textures, and scents. Here you can find everything from intricately woven carpets and traditional ceramics, to fragrant spices and delicious local delicacies. The Medina is also a cradle of Tunisian culture. As you wander through the labyrinthine streets, you'll encounter traditional music, folk dances and artisans practicing centuries-old crafts. It's a place where customs and traditions are kept alive, a place where every corner holds a piece of Tunisia's cultural tapestry. The Medina of Tunis, with its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant marketplaces, is a testament to Tunisia's cultural richness and diversity. It's a place that invites you to lose yourself in its winding streets, to immerse yourself in its history, and to experience the heartbeat of Tunis. As we wrap up our journey through Tunisia's stunning scenery, we invite you to join us for more adventures. We've traversed the golden sands of the Sahara, explored the tranquil beauty of Ichkeul National Park, wandered through the vibrant streets of Sidi Bou Said, and delved into the rich culture of the Medina of Tunis. Each location, unique in its allure, has shown us a different facet of Tunisia's breathtaking landscapes. From the vast, untamed wilderness of the Sahara, to the serene, wildlife-filled wetlands of Ichkeul National Park. From the cobblestone streets and blue and white architecture of Sidi Bou Said to the ancient, bustling markets of the Medina of Tunis, we've experienced a beautiful blend of natural and cultural wonders that Tunisia has to offer. Such diversity in scenery is a testament to Tunisia's vibrant tapestry of experiences, a place where every corner turned unravels a new story. We hope you enjoyed this journey through Tunisia's stunning landscapes. What part of the world would you like us to explore next? Leave your suggestions in the comments below. And remember, your likes and subscriptions help our channel grow. Until our next adventure, safe travels.